Hello and welcome to Bite Size, making things you can swallow with just one bite. That didn't make much sense. I'll have to work on that. Today we're going to talk about something I've been excited to share for a long time, but I've had on the back burner. Silicone, more specifically silicone in liquids. But before I start on this tragically magical and savory relationship, I first want to thank my friend Don Bullock who started me on this path. I'm going to leave a link up here and at the end of the video to the video that started this all for me. Silicone is used in many products, ranging from medicine to sealants and even cooking ware. We use silicone in grease to lubricate gears, as insulators in our electric components, in our dry cleaning. We use them in skincare, mold making, toys, airplanes. We could go on and on about silicone, but what I really want to talk about is how useful it is in my shop. Because silicone is hydrophobic, liquids of all kinds don't stand a chance against this magical ally. And trust me, I've tried them all. You might have seen silicone brushes made for glue-ups. They seem expensive, but they're totally worth it, especially when the glue dries and you can rip that dry glue booger off without any difficulty. Oh, that's a good feeling. Cost of these glue brushes, in my opinion, really aren't a problem. I've personally gone through bags and bags of bristle glue brushes and spent 3 times as much as the one that I use all the time. And I use just one. And another benefit is you don't get those hairs left in your glue. But forget brushes, I'm more interested in showing off my silicone pie mat that I spent maybe $14 on. I've used it for glue ups of all kinds, including super glue, epoxy, wood glue, and hot glue. It's also great for staining, for spray painting, for just painting, resin mixing. Honestly, I haven't found anything yet that sticks to it. But forget about silicone mats, because the world has gone crazy for silicone in the kitchen. You can find hundreds of different products to use in your shop and they're cheap. I found silicone muffin cupcake holders for mixing things or just for glue ups, brushes for larger projects, rollers for large glue ups, large bowls for making resin. So when you really want to get serious about liquids in your garage, don't go to the woodworking store. Go to the kitchen store. You're going to be surprised. Again, I want to thank Don and thank you all for watching this channel. I really enjoy the feedback and appreciate every one of you. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and follow me on Instagram at Make Things with Rob.